Hello people, I want to make this quick because it's my last video of the series. So people, don't get yourself killed and let's speedrun. The files, notes, you should remember these upload files because I'm going through that today. If you look at my code, it's rather simple. It's actually just a full if for dash this. The if data is just to find if there's no files found. The for data is to deal with this whole thing. The forms is rather simple. If you see these, don't be intimidated. It's really just a remove, and the other one is literally just an a file. It's display file. It's really not that hard. So cool, fun, incredible, isn't it? Yes, this is for file. Notes is slightly different because notes, I can't really just show you the note. Of course I'll show all the p's, the divisions. This is for button group. It's to make it look nice, so don't worry about that. But for now, let me show you the stuff. This hidden input type, I honestly don't have to do this. I can just send it into a action with its own parameter input. That's about it. So, but for now, let's stick with what I wrote. Yes, the input type hidden. It will show you the node num. It will do the whole input stuff and submit, remove. Perfect. It will go straight here. Here's the remove one actually. If you need to see it, just a bunch more SQL. Please use it. Please use parameters. Don't do what I did. But yes, these SQL stuff, it will find the code, find what ID, and then destroy it. Yes, the OS remove file path is just to remove it from the server, so you don't have to deal with it anymore, which also means that it will be removed forever. So please remove with caution. But yes, display file is just sent from directory because you need to see the file. And for notes, I have a whole separate a note web page. You guys saw it just now in like my introduction video, but for now it's actually really simple. It's actually unbelievably simple. So yeah, let's not. It is crazy simple, so don't worry about it. So yes, it's god, it is unbelievably simple. So yeah, it's literally just a simple open file and then render it. It's not that hard. The what's hard part is all my file stuff, well, my display file stuff. So we actually can stop looking at the code because it's honestly not that important anymore. This is the only thing I had to show you, which was my remove code. It's just SQL, isolate, isolate, delete, delete. It's pretty fun, isn't it? And then delete type. Delete type is to make sure you know where you're at. So yeah, don't worry about that. Ooh. Whereas for my main code, it's actually really simple as well. So, yes, if you remember, this will jump straight to my C notes. This will jump straight into my post. Well, my remove. So, honestly, I don't have a lot to tell you about my displays because they are actually really simple. Again, display file. All these hidden is just to pass information to the web app so it knows what's happening. But otherwise, yeah, it's really simple. There's nothing much to see. Honestly, I'm pretty sure all of you are curious about how I was able to make them to stack like this. So, regrettably, I will have to show you my CSS. uh, this is my worst nightmare. I will never show the CSS to any amount of people because it is a mess. I I got it working and I never want to touch it again. So yeah, I'll let you guys look through the CSS. The body, header, head nav A. Head nav A is all very simple. It's literally all just making sure my web app looks the same and then nice. My main form is to make it look nice as well, so don't worry about that too. From label form input, this is just to make sure that all my stuff actually works properly. Not works properly. Make it look nice. It's CSS is to make your website look nice. What else can I say? This is literally what CSS is for. Uh, okay, this one is how I make it change colors. If you're wondering, it's really fun. Please do that. It's nice. Horizontal, not filter. This is what makes my filtering system look okay, but for now it's fine. So yes, filter file list. This thing is what's making this thing. Well, for files, there's a separate one for notes, but it is literally the same thing. Whereas this one is the most important part, flex wrap. This is the space between items. I had to write these having comments for my own because sometimes even I don't understand the CSS code because I had to go off of AI a lot. But yeah, I wrote most of this myself. Okay, please don't judge me. So yes, yeah, some of these yes, to help me deal with stuff. The flex wrap is very important because that is exactly what makes my stuff things. Yes, so actually no, it's not really flex wrap. It's these two together, display and flex wrap, that makes it look nice. So yeah, don't yeah, cool. Box shadow, you know this. All of these are just covers. These are class. You saw it just now. And yeah, the rest is exactly the same, just more hovers. The danger stuff is actually the hover stuff. The danger stuff is yeah, the transition, all the stuff. The danger is actually just what makes it turn colors. If you realize, I believe it's super yeah. It's what caused this to change colors as well. If you're wondering, so yes, don't judge. It's not actually dangerous. Yes, my file items again. It's all flex, margins, align. It's really simple. Backgrounds, line height, all the same. That's my CSS. Don't get yourself killed. Bye bye.